Hi, my name is Sarah King and I'm an illustrator and visual artist. I've worked with a variety of amazing companies such as National Geographic, the New York Times, Taschen, the Guardian, and San Francisco Museum of Modern Art. I specialize in hand-drawn typographic illustrations. I love incorporating elements into my work, especially words that can shape the drawing. I think of typography as the illustration, as opposed to using text and illustration separately. I use words as a texture. You can create different flows and shades with different sizes and styles of text. So what is written adds a whole new element to the image. My aim is to get my illustrations intricately beautiful and bursting with words. In this Domestika course, I'm going to teach you how to create a typographic portrait, incorporating your own style into the piece. You will experiment with typography following the shapes of the facial expression. To do this, we will first talk about the materials you'll need for the course. Then, we will do some exercises so you understand more the whole process. We'll research text and images for use in the final illustration. Moving on, we'll adjust the image in Photoshop so we can enhance it for the illustration process. We will then start drawing the typography. The next step will be to print and prepare your image, transforming it into a template. We will then start drawing typography based on the text that we chose earlier on, but also include some other elements like drawings or collages. Before moving back into Photoshop, we will clean up the pencil strokes and correct any mistakes we may have made. Finally, we will remove the background in Photoshop so we can fill in the text with solid color. Lastly, we will talk about the finishing process. For the final project, you will create an illustrated typographic portrait and be shown different ways in which it can be used, such as web, art prints, postcards, t-shirts, and stickers. At the end of this course, you will know how to create amazing designs using lettering as a tool. For this course, it is recommended that you have a basic knowledge of drawing and using Photoshop. We will use paper, pencil, tracing paper, tape, fine line pens, a scanner or a smartphone, and a computer with Photoshop or similar. Let your imagination take the reins and create amazing pieces using illustration and typography.